Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Gmail account in mobile. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. So first of all, open Gmail apps. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap onto profile icon, scroll down, click on to add another account, select Google, first verify you. If you have already account and if you want to easily add email account or otherwise create account, click on personal use. Type here to first name like type here to your last name. After that, click on to next. Select your birthday. Select a gender, male or female. Tap on to next. After that, click on your username. Tap on to next. And type here to your strong password. Click on next. Scroll down. Okay, now done. Now successfully create my Gmail account. So if you want to follow my whole process very carefully, I hope you can easily create Gmail account without phone number or email address.